Whether you prefer sleek or wavy, the main choice has you covered. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I've already applied my leave-in, and now I'm making sure that my hair is moisturized. I'm going to be using the Main Choice's Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. I'm sectioning off a small part of my hair in the back. I do this in sections to make sure that it's easier to smooth my roots. You want to make sure that your hair is wet when doing this style. It makes it easier to smooth your roots. I'm going to add some gel, smooth it in, and then brush it in with my detangling brush, which will help to smooth my roots even further. Then I move on to the next section and do the same thing. I spray on some water to make sure that my roots are wet so that the gel is easy to apply and smooth. And then I go in with my detangling brush to smooth it further. This gel keeps your hair healthy while delivering an amazing hold at the same time. It promotes growth and retention, it defines curls and smooths edges, it mends detectable damage, and moisturizes your hair and tames frizz. You can use this gel for a wash and go, twist out, braid out, whatever style you're doing that you need some hold. I'm following the same process by moisturizing my hair, spraying it with water, and smoothing the gel. The key to this style is smoothing. Smoothing, smoothing, smoothing. I'm not worried about the ends of my hair because I will get them all the way together once I have my hair smoothed down into my puff. And as you can see, this gel easily lays your edges. The key to this style is smoothing, and if you have thick hair like me, then you want to make sure you're doing this in sections just so that you can get the smoothest puff or bun possible. It may look like a lot of work, but trust me, if you make sure that your hair is wet in each section and apply the gel, it goes by super fast, and this style can last you an entire week. The wetter your hair is, the easier it is to smooth the gel into your hair. I just continue to move on through the sections, combining the hair. And again, smoothing. Once I finish and I have my edges smooth and the roots of my hair smooth and my hair is to my liking, I put on a scarf just to make sure that my hair lays properly. And oftentimes I do sit under a dryer just to speed up my drying process. And these are my results after sitting under the dryer for about an hour. My curls are popping, my waves are on swim, and my edges are laid. And this cute style is brought to you again by the Main Choice's Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel.